This is a very special night for us. And we're very much happy and delighted to see all of you enjoying and celebrating the 80th birthday of my daughter, Janelle. This is really very so fast and seems like yesterday when Janelle was born. I can still remember the way she filled with us with delight, her smile and antics, our sleepless night. Those things make us happy. Janelle is a very sweet and loving daughter and sister. Now, as our baby is turning into the lady, it is a great pride and joy as I present Janelle to all of you as she turns 18. We give thanks and glory to God who has blessed our family and our very own Janelle to become as what he is now. Let us welcome my daughter Janelle to her new work, and we wish her all the best in life. May the good Lord give us the courage and strength to face all the challenges and become successful in life, and to have a happy and full life in the coming years. And of course, determination na sana ituloy mo na yung pangako mo sa akin sa iyong bahay. Putrinda, good luck, and we're here to support you on that. Sasabayan na naman ni Mami sa pag-gym next year. Again, happy birthday, Ana, and continue to be a sweet and loving daughter to us and to Nabini and Juliet. Thank you for being with us tonight and enjoy it. Dapat kanina to.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga umaten dito, nag-effort para makasama kami sa gabi dito. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Hindi namin ito makakalimutan for si Janelle. Thank you very much for being here. Salamat!
Maraming salamat sa lahat.
And of course, let us hear from Janelle. Let us give her a